Kasi yung experience ng Masungi pwede pong magamit ng Project Transform. Mapapakinabangan po ng Project Transform itong experience at itong magandang records ng Masungi. Kayo po, Madam, negosyante po kayo, Madam Sponsor.
But it
Would you do
doesn't
that?
solve the legal problem of Masungi.
I'm not talking about Madam Sponsor. I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
You are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessmen maybe. Yung mga tusong businessman maybe.
Hindi. Kasi
Pero pag
yan
hindi
daw,
tusong negosyante,
based on
hindi-
the history of Masungi, they were granted that to build socialized housing during the old times. You have to go back to the history. They did not build socialized housing. They built what do you call this? A resort. And that is not the original intention of the Masungi Geo Reserve. Oo. So, in fairness to our government officials, they cannot allow something illegal because they will answer for it in the future.
So ito pong mga member ng Project Transforms, ito po ay mga violators. So aren't they considered as illegal?
Inimbita daw nila, hindi nagpunta.
Hindi po inibita ang Masungi. No, Masungi was invited. We talked to Masungi. Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagan niyo Masungi. Would somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung sinungaling, DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo? Lie detector test.
Where?
Polygraph test para malaman kung sino sinungaling.
True Lies.